Nipa ba ko na mpesa metunofo ewo politics mu.
Why?
Lawyer Afenyo Markins.
I don't know so too.
He is becoming a political nuisance.
Ah.
Oh yes.
No, that's too strong a word to use on him.
Oh yeah, because unim say every police station be our call ewa kotiano. He tries to spark controversy there.
Now work with your
I was there. I'm telling you, every police station.
Oh no.
But why do you go to your opponent's office and try to remove something from
but we spoke to a
it's true.
Is it proven?
It's true. Look, I was at a police station called Kosi.
We spoke to the constituency secretary yesterday and he said it was true. Frederick.
So
it's not true. So hey,
you understand? South I say, you see, I like him. You understand? But you're minority leader. You understand? The minority leader. When you're careful in your man, because maybe your police station be no by. He tried to fight everybody at the police station.
Now he tried to fight.
I am telling you.
Honorable Afenyo Markins.
Honorable Afenyo Markins.
I was crime Ben senso.
Was it? If an electoral commission is working,
yes,
and you come to the polling station, then you try to tell the electoral commission say, "Wonim na juma." Meanwhile, there's nothing wrong going on. No. Your agents were there.
But is he on record to have said so? When you are asked to prove that, can you prove that?
I can prove that and tell you, say, Bisa say, police station Ben Afenyo Markins score. Ewo akwatia by election na one kokunto kwa.
Police station. But we never had any. But we never had. Me say. Police station be
no.
I don't know.
Oye odim se okwa. Oye nneoma kakra bi na spark it.
Exactly. Now spark it.
You understand?
Yeah, Shamsudein, no, allow me. I am the host. Allow. Shamsudein, the issue at stake is a serious one. It's no meaner person than the minority leader of Ghana's parliament.
Yes.
You make a serious allegation against him, sir. Every polling station be baby or try say or cause a mayhem. Were you at all the polling stations?
I was at
him.
Hold on. I can give you two instances.
No,
you understand?
No, I'm holding you to your statement.
Oh yes.
Yes. No, were you at all the? You made mention of all the polling stations he visited.
Yes.
And I'm asking you.
Yes.
Were you at all the polling stations with him?
I am at 2 of the polling stations.
So it means that what you are saying is not true.
No. You can't say it's not true.
No, it's not true.
You can't say
it's not true.
Why?
But we as a station we disassociate ourselves from this particular statement.
What did I say?
No, but because you can allege. It's a serious. What can I say?
What did I say?
Shamsudein, what can I say? Every polling station that he went, he tried in one way or the other.
So
I'm coming. To foment trouble.
Are you happy?
And I asked you a direct question. Say, polling stations be no one at a particular point in time. No, were you there with him? And you said no. So it means that
I said 2 police stations. Are you getting me?
I think about with those 2 police stations. Then
one of the police stations, Kusi police station. The agents were stationed at a particular place. And electoral commission officers, station at a particular. That's what I saw. And I make a and electoral commission officials, were also seated at a particular place. But don't forget that the setting of a police station is regulated by the electoral commission. So the electoral commission.
But is that not usual of you politicians? Your behaviors. Sometimes when you go to police stations, you want your presence to be felt.
So why anything I make us say? He's becoming a political nuisance. You understand?
Political nuisance.
Yes.
What does that mean?
You understand?
No, but that's serious as it.
No.
Nuisance as in what?
Are you happy with what people are saying about him? Why do you think?
They know what can find what?
Why do you think?
You see. Yeah,
wait.
Let me tell you something. No, let me tell you something. He's not here as of at the moment to respond to this particular issue. But I believe my producer, as is rightly stated, would get in touch with him, perhaps maybe from tomorrow onwards, and then get to know his side of the story, because we cannot base on your side of the story and do a confirmation on that, because it's an allegation you have made. You are not speaking on facts, because I asked you whether you had evidence, because when you are asked to adduce an evidence in court, you can't do that. So my brother, just eat back your words. Are you disappointed in the leadership of the New Patriotic Party as against the Ekoso Ewakwetia, where you lost that particular elections, and then even losing the general elections? We are disappointed in the leadership.
Without mentioning words, yes. A capital yes. And not just Ekwetia, yeah, they bet to me. You're already so I can say, they bet to me, but some of us, Manko,
okay, that's fine.
Mentimi and Nuho. And yeah, one may say, Yaman was a loose seat. Because of question I'll be saying.
Edendra.
Ebi a minim se mini ase fa na menya adwene. But me the mechanism pain. Your leadership no have to be changed.
The leadership of the New Patriotic Party.
Yes.
The entire leadership.
How? Yes.
From national chairman, the
former flag bearer,
from
to the
former flag bearer
should go. Yes.
He should go.
Yes. Yes.
Lawyer Sebe.
You see, my men can be being shown. Many as if I were make
sure.
Oh, baby, a party no. I just say, wow, one person be kind of crazy.
You only have 3 minutes to do this.
Me that's open crama me one. Some make can make. Enti baby, NPP ababedri. Are we proud of ourselves as a party?
But your general secretary is hardworking, Justin Kudia.
Please,
no, but I'm telling you, he's a hardworking person.
He can, you see, to me, Ejumane Sumano. Especially when we are in opposition. Yes. Especially when we are in opposition.
SOMPA FM.
He's a hardworking guy.
Yes, he's a hardworking guy. But if you are in government, government machinery,
so you sit here and say, Ejumane Suma Justin Kodia.
That is
the general secretary.
That is how I see it.
Of your party.
That is how I see it.
The New Patriotic Party.
As an opposition party. You see, baby, I drew no.
So who do you think is better fit for that position?
Oh, Kasadi and I make to as I may compare on newbie. But I'm a submission or question will be something.
I can't minute.
Oh, dear me. Shamsudein grad the time now, me. And yes, I'm good to as a mere thing, so you're back. You see, where we've, you see, can any member of the New Patriotic Party, Medase, be proud of where we are at this very moment? No, nobody. Mini asefa so proud of where we've got into. Entina mi bisa say, JH Mensa MPP nenie. Edu Boahen ne MPP nenie. Hakma Usu Ajiman ne MPP nenie. Definitely not. Enya baby a MPP yehwehwe ye ho anya ba bedu baby ejine. And after say President Kufuor every leadership of the MPP muno, you can see clearly say enyoman ko ye mai. Na number 2. Meme ye adwuma ma no last 2 years ye number 2 atna so 16 years 17 years ni.
Number two,
our vice president, our former vice president, has been in leadership position for the past 17 years. Unim 2023, I supported him during the campaign.
Talking about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
That's fine.
During the campaign, 2024 campaign, personally, you're mobilizing all round with our own money because we wanted to win the elections. And you might hear who no say yes, baby, I drew yes, sa emu. Yes, somebody free flag bearer, any executives are a wohonom no. Yes, some near for ahoden for friendship. Na say ya na be kwado dia and NDC for be hwe papa. Because you see, if you go to the camp of Minias Ifanomo, may assure say they should be happy with our results at Akwetia. Do you know why I'm saying that?
The camp of Sefabe.
Yeah, Minias if I say so they make a back so name nya dwen so.
And but you see for my boy.
Do you know why they should be happy?
There
Yeah. Pato church or say how many percentage any yenya no.
When you are 45.
45% any yenya. Aka 5 pe. What does mama can say? Aka 5 pe.
Ah, she said the doctor says 9 pe.
I can't cry say you pay 9%. You see the ababiano on say MPP and say 8-year cycle and so far yenya. Say across the 8th year biana chekeshe. Party in power obe fraban so no otimi perform here to the sense of pushing election to a runoff. That's what we got in 2000.
Not always.
Now, 2000 you runoff.
Sure.
2008 MPP be free so you runoff.
Because
now 2024 yes I be free so no nanke here runoff. Ya boye fun frama me anim aguase a ye hu ba bia mfa tinfa. O sorry I say 9 pe. And you say 5 pe say
me that's it. But I couldn't tell friend on Navy unforgotten country and say a young say a petition be an am kwan so call a year woman paying ho say the the electoral commission chair Madam Jane Mensah and any 2 deputies. Now patrol sa petition here you can watch me. Why intercept here na wahu ana wati ehun komodie e wo baby ana
nyamianim ni hu bibia sa ena menti bibia sa de nyuma ni se emra ye election ye nuanum and for ka independent to send no kafa Jesus say omoba in tumi no omobe yi sankofo no after then mum electoral SOMPA FM.
Sir, unyante hu bibia e wo wankasa wugidie mu no ene nsam a watete pen wabra na ye bontoa e wo Ghana ha during the 2024 elections no wugiri se eye electoral commission no eye Mama Jane Mensah ene ni 2 deputies no ade a ebetimi aka omo se ye beyi omo afri eye bibi omo wo sesi ya no.
And someone made it during the campaign, no dear. And you mean, Nipa Bifa, Ababo Moko. Now you almost to say, Omo campaign the Breshama Meno. Najumaye and so that is a party and no petition then. Said Najumaye and so and send the Bromo Kangoon. It's a basket or Mulina, any idea, a band.
And you feel, sir, the NDC. Womu nyanwie eye womu research agenda no, especially when it comes to some institutions of state.
Me research agenda and me fa no more say omanu
tie SOMPA
me tika se me ade omo ya bebo na omana afisa sara me fa omo research man fa omo research no to say sabi omo ba na di nipedi adi ana se di ko fubi omo promise no tro yes na me ti afi fa ti se ho na ko fa dia na nso e me won akaka